In this video, we are going to create this rock, paper, and scissors scheme. So let's go to our base code and create this project. I have already created the HTML and CSS part. The link is in the description. You guys can find this project and many more projects in my GitHub repo. So let's start by creating the script. After the body tag, I will type script, and inside the script, I will create my play button function. So function play button, and inside I will send user choice as a parameter. So user choice. Then after that, I will create a console with the name of choices, and inside here I will create an array and add my choices, which are rock, paper, and scissors. And after that, I will create another const with the name of computer choice, and in here I will store a random choice which I can get from the choices. So computer choice is equal to choices and math.floor, then math.random to get a random element from this array, and times 3. So this will get a random element from this array, and we will say it's a computer choice. Then I will create another variable with the name of result text is equal to a tie. Now let's create our if conditions. So if, and one more bracket in here, I will type if user choice is equal to rock and computer choice is equal to scissors. So we know that the rock beats the scissors. So in that case, change the result to you win, and else the result text would be computer win. Okay, so our condition for one logic is done. In here, we can also add the rest conditions. So instead of a single condition, I will add 2 more conditions with the help of or. So or, let's copy this and paste it in here. Or if the user choice is paper and the computer choice is rock, then also the user will win. And one more condition in here. So or if the user choice is scissors and computer choice is paper, in that case also the user wins. So our logic is complete. Now let's display our result. So after the if condition else, then in here I will type, let's copy this, and in here let's type document dot get element by id, and our result id dot inner HTML is equal to let's add a p tag in here so it would look good, and inside this p tag let's display our result text. Okay, let's say click. Okay, the logic is working, but the images are not changing. Now let's change the images as well. So after this, I have 2 images in here, one with the user choice ID and another one with the computer choice ID. Let's copy them and let's come here. Let's type for both of them document dot get element by ID and our IDs, then dot source src is equal to dot slash assets, the location of our images. So images and slash. Now for the user choice, I will just type user choice, and for computer choice I will type the computer choice. Okay, so why I wrote user choice and computer choice here, because if I go to my assets images, as you guys can see, the names are also same as the my choices. So this makes it easier, right? So after that, the extensions .gpg. Okay, everything is set. Now let's go to our browser. Let's check. As you guys can see, the images also now change. So this is how we can create rock paper scissors game.